Today's review is of this video light kit, which I have set up for you guys to see. So I got the 2-pack. I'm only going to show you the one that I've set up, but what it comes with is this screen here, and then the tripod stand, as you can see here, with varying degrees of height. So if you loosen this, it gets higher, loosen this one gets higher, so on and so forth. Here is where you would put your phone for if you're gonna be doing recording, blogs, things like that. Super easy to put together. All in all, probably took me 2 to 3 minutes, which is great. So you plug it in to a USB here, and you control the dimmability and the brightness of the light with this. And it does come with 3 different light settings, which I'm going to show you now. Comes with that light, and that one. And then you can decrease it almost to nothing and then increase it pretty brightly. This has been super convenient for quick videos I've needed to do, photography, any sort of vlogging, blogging, that kind of thing. This is great for it. Again, really easy to put together, super convenient, has all of the modes that you would need for just getting started. Pretty sturdy tripod stand. Highly recommend this.